Hello, and welcome to fart class. We're gonna start off with a simple classic fart that everyone can do. You're just going to bend forward. Next, with your hands behind your back, bend far forward and push the hot gas out. At this point, you can go ahead and sniff. Wow, that's really bad. These are called downward dog farts, and they're man's best friend. Next, we have doggy doo-doo farts, my personal favorite. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video made you laugh.